Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after CPI and FOMC, we got to see some crazy moves in the market. There was a sharp upside on the chart of gold right after CPI and we saw a sudden drop also. Overall, there was extreme volatility yesterday, and right now we can see that market is standing at 2022. This is the current market price. Gold ticks up as US inflation data fuels bets for rate hike pause. Gold prices inched higher for a third consecutive session on Thursday as cooler than expected US inflation data spurred bets that the Fed Reserve might raise rates once more next month before pausing hikes. This is the important part here. So my dear friends, DXY showed big fall yesterday and right now DXY is standing at 101.47. Yesterday we discussed about the support of 101.40 and during the news also market respected our support level, and right now we can see that DXY is heading lower again, but this time there is a good chance that market or DXY will break the support and will move down further. And the reason is that when DXY tried to recover, you can see that the recovery was not strong enough. Recovery was not strong enough. DXY formed a lower high, and as a result, there's a good chance that by today DXY may break the support and head lower, and the next support on the chart of DXY is around 100.80. This is the next support on the chart of DXY, and probably this is the last support, because if DXY breaks this support it will head towards double digit. And today also we have got some news during the US session, so my dear friends, please be careful because there will be some volatility again. If we compare to CPI FOMC, then in comparison to CPI FOMC NFP, okay, this is not a very big event, but yes, there will be some volatility. This event may not bring a trend reversal to the market, but yes, this event has the potential to trigger your SLs, stop losses, so be careful. Now let's talk about the chart of gold. After news, if market shows extreme volatility, please do not try to look for levels, because as a retail trader you must understand one thing very well, that the levels that we talk about, the technical analysis, do not work when fundamentals or news dominate the market, and that's a bitter reality. We will have to accept it. Okay, and when the market is not being driven by a news, then you can look for support, resistances, reversals, then you can look for it. But when fundamentals dominate the market, it is always better to follow the trend of the market instead of looking for levels. Okay, so after news, if market shows crazy volatility, just forget about the levels and just try to ride the trend of the market or follow the trend of the market. But before news, okay, before news and after news also, okay, we have got some levels if market is not crazy volatile. So first of all, I would like to talk about the channel here. We can see that right now gold is trading in an upward channel, and this channel is okay, kind of beautiful. And we can see that right, gold is heading towards the line at the top, which is also the dynamic resistance, and the level will be around 2040, around 2040 to 2045. This is the next resistance on the chart of gold because of the line at the top. What is the trend of the market? The trend of the market is bullish. Both technically and fundamentally, gold is bullish right now. So taking a sell position can be a little bit risky. Beginners you can avoid, but if you have the experience, if you know how to manage the risk, then you can consider taking a sell position if you see gold reversing from 2045, 2040, or from the trend line at the top. Okay, so taking a reversal trade also requires experience. If you have that, you can go for it, otherwise just forget about it, because gold is bullish right now and we cannot deny that. So in this type of market condition, taking a buy at retracement is always the best strategy and always the safe strategy that you can follow. And right now the logical support levels are quite far away. Okay, the first of all, we have a very strong support around 1945 level. This is the level, okay, where we have a very strong presence of buyers, 1945. But sadly 1945 is far away, बहुत दूर. Okay. So before 1945 we have support around 1971, 1972. Around 1971, 1972 also we have some support. We have support in the form of Fibonacci as well as the trend line. Okay, so 1971-72 is also a good support. If you ask me, Avilas, which is the strongest support, then I'll say the strongest support on the chart of gold is around 1971-72 and 1945 level. But as I said, these levels are far away. So we have another level around 1991. Okay, we have another level around 1991. I was born in 1990. Okay, around 1991 also we have support in the market. In case during the day market shows some correction, you can look for a buy as well around 1991. But if market does not come for retracement to 1991 level, then also you can look for some retracement around the 50 moving average. The green line, the green moving average is the 50 moving average, simple moving average I'm using, and we can see that more or less it is acting as dynamic support. So next time, if it does not come to 1991, 1971 level, okay, then look for some retracement around the moving average. If you see that after hitting the moving average, market is taking support, market is showing price rejection from below, forming hammer kind of a pattern, then also you can go for a buy position. But yes, you must get the confirmation whether the market is taking support at the moving average or not. Right now I'm in the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, you can see that market was forming lower lows and lower highs. Okay, but right now the structure is changed. Okay, so as a result, there is a possibility that market will be heading higher again. And as I said, both fundamentally and technically gold is bullish right now. So taking a buy at retracement is always the best trading strategy. Because see, if you take a buy position here, listen to me carefully, if you take a buy position here, eventually after some time market will be coming down, because market always move in a zigzag pattern. Okay, so therefore waiting for the right time is the best thing to do right now. Right now we can also use Fibonacci here. If you want to draw Fibonacci, then you can see that we do have some Fibonacci levels, but I'm waiting for the right reversal so that we can identify in which level we can consider. Okay, so that's why I'm not giving you any immediate level. Okay, I'm simply saying that 1991 can be another support and the 50 moving average can be another support on the Forex time frame. So this is it, my dear friends. The number of trading opportunities are a little bit limited right now. So let's wait and watch how the market reacts tomorrow. I'll be updating. And sorry, I got late today. I had some early morning meetings. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Follow proper risk management. Do not gamble. Bye bye.